In today's video, I'll show you a complete live demo of how to deposit USDT into Binance using CoinDCX. I'll also show how the transfer works step by step so you can easily understand the full process without confusion. Right now, I already have USDT in my Binance account, and I'm going to increase it by transferring funds from CoinDCX. First, you need to make sure you have a CoinDCX account and some USDT in it, which you can buy using INR. Once your USDT is ready, go to the Wallet or Funds section and select Withdrawal. Choose USDT as the crypto you want to send. After that, Binance will be used to generate a deposit address. So open Binance, go to the Wallet section, click on Deposit, select USDT, and make sure to choose the correct network like BEP20 or TRC20, depending on what you use. Then copy the wallet address carefully. Now come back to CoinDCX, paste the Binance deposit address, and enter the amount you want to transfer. In my case, I'm sending around 10 USDT. After that, you'll need to confirm the transaction by entering your withdrawal password and completing OTP verification from your mobile and email. Once you confirm everything, submit the withdrawal request. CoinDCX will process your transaction, and within a short time, the transfer will start showing as completed. You will receive a confirmation once it is successfully sent from CoinDCX. Now go back to Binance and you will see the deposit as pending for a few moments. After network confirmations, your USDT